Who are they?
Oh, they're just my. This is cat. These are my pets. And this is T-Ball, and there's a me right there, and I'm we're in that picture, and we're at the beach.
Okay. Zip your lip, please. Okay. Listening? What is it?
LLP.
LLP, please. Mrs. Raccoon took Chester by the hand and nuzzled him on the ear. Sometimes we all have to do things we don't want to do, she told him gently, even if they seem strange and scary at first. But you will love school once you start. And play with new toys. How many people have made new friends?
I had a friend last night in the basin, and then we moved away, and now I make new friends.
You'll read new books and swing on new swings. Besides, she added, I know a wonderful secret that will make your nights at school seem as warm and cozy as your days at home.
Go to sleep.
Uh,
They sleep because they can't.
Chester wiped away his tears. Can you wipe away the tears? Did you ever feel like you had to wipe away tears?
I do okay.
And looked interested. A secret? What kind of secret? A very old